In today's digital age, selling digital products has emerged as a highly profitable and sustainable business model. Digital products ranging from e-book and online courses to software and stock photos offers a unique opportunity to generate income without the complexity of physical inventory. This shift towards digital goods is driven by their ease of distribution, minimal production cost, and the growing demand for online content and resources. The purpose of this video is to provide a comprehensive guide on how to successfully sell digital products. Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur looking to launch your first digital product or an established business aiming to expand your offerings, this video will cover essential aspects such as identifying profitable niches and engaging. For online courses, create a comprehensive syllabus and plan each model to build on the previous one effectively. Using the right tools and software is crucial. Design softwares like Adobe Creative Suite or Canva can help create visually appealing e-book and printables. For online courses, platforms like Teachable or Kajabi offers tools to create interactive and engaging content. If you're developing software, invest in reliable development tools and consider hiring skilled developers if necessary. Quality and user experience should be at the forefront of your creation process. Ensure your products are easy to navigate, aesthetically pleasing, and provide real value to your customers. High-resolution images, clear audios and video, and identify any issue or areas for improvement. This feedback can help you refine your product and ensures it meets your audience expectations. By focusing on creating high quality, valuable digital products, you set yourself apart from competitors and build a reputation that encourages repeat customers and word of mouth referral. Setting up an online store is a crucial step in selling digital products effectively. Start by choosing the right platform to host your store. Popular options include Shopify, Gumroad, Eatsell, and WooCommerce. Each offers comparing product descriptions and clear call to actions to encourage purchases. Integrate payment gateway to handle transactions smoothly. Most e-commerce platforms support popular payment methods like PayPal, Stripe, and credit card. Ensure your payment is processed secure and straightforward. To build trust with your customers, consider setting up automated email sequence to welcome new customers, confirm purchase, and follow up on abandoned carts. These emails can enhance customer experience and increase conversion rates. Test your store thoroughly before launching. Ensure all links works. The checkout process is seamless and your site performs well on both desktop mobile device. A well-designed functional online store not only attracts customers but also provide them with a positive shopping experience. increasing the likelihood of repeat business. Pricing your digital products effectively is crucial for maintaining sales and profitability. Begin by conducting market research to understand the pricing trend within your niche. Evaluate competitors' pricing strategy and analyze customer feedback to gauge perceived value when determining your pricing strategy. Consider the unique value proposition of your product. Factors such as the depth of content, expert level, and additional resources included can justify higher price points. Conversely, if you are entering a competitive market, consider offering introductory pricing or discount to attract initial customers. Experiment with different pricing models such as one-time purchase, subscriptions plan, or tiered pricing based on features or access level. Each model appeals to different customer segments and can help maximize revenue streams. Offering bundles or packages can also increase the perceived value while maintaining profitability and the customer satisfaction. Marketing your digital products effectively is essential for driving traffic and generating sales. Start by identifying your target audience and understanding their needs, preferences, and online behavior. These insights will help you craft compelling marketing messages and choose the right channel to reach them. Content marketing is a powerful tool for promoting digital products. Create valuable content related to your product such as blog, posts, tutorials, videos, or podcasts to attract and engage your audience. Optimize this content for search engine. To increase organic traffic to your site, leverage social media platforms to build a community around your brand. Share engaging content, participate in relevant groups, and interact with your audience to increase visibility and trust. Email marketing is another effective strategy. Build an email list by offering free resources or free incentives and nurture your and return on investment to refine your strategy and maximize your marketing effectiveness. A well-executed marketing plan will help you attract and retain customers, driving long-term success for your digital products and business. Providing excellent customer support is vital for maintaining customer satisfaction and fostering loyalty. Start by setting up a comprehensive question and answer section on your website that addresses common questions and issues related to your digital product. This can help customers find quick solutions without needing to contact customer support. Implement social support channels to cater to different customers' preferences. Offer email support like live chat and social media support to ensure customers can reach you through their preferred method. Respond promptly and professionally to all inquiries back to continuously improve your products and support system. Positive review can also serve as a testimonial to attract new customers. Offer a satisfaction guarantee or a customer refund policy to build trust with your customer. Knowing they have a safety net can make customers more willing to purchase and try your products. By providing excellent customer service, you not only resolve issues effectively but also build a positive reputation for your channel. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and advocates for your product, driving long-term success for your digital product business. Analyzing and optimizing the performance of your digital product is crucial. For sustainable growth and success, begin by setting clear, measurable goals for your business, such as sales targets, conversion rates, and customer retention metrics. This goal would guide analysis and help you determine area for improvement. Utilize analytic tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar, or Mixpanel to gather data on how users interact with your website and products. Track key performance indicators such as website traffic, bonus rates, average call, duration, and sales conversion. These data provide insight into user behavior and identifies potential bottlenecks in your sales funnel. Regularly review your sales data to identify which products are performing well and which you need adjustments. Look for patterns and trends that can inform your marketing and product development strategy. For example, if a particular product seeks a spike in sales after a specific marketing campaign, analyze what made that campaign successful and replicate those elements. Product A/B testing. To compare different versions of your product page, pricing strategy, and marketing material. This helps you determine what resonates best with your audience and drive the most conversion. Gather customers' feedback through survey, review, and direct interaction to understand their experience and pain points. Use this feedback to refine your product and improve customer satisfaction. By consistently analyzing and optimizing your performance, you can make that full way to build credibility and attract new customers for your digital products. Start by reaching out to satisfied customers and asking them to share their experience. Highlight specific benefits they've gained from using your products, such as increased productivity, improved scale, or financial gain. Once you have gathered testimonials, display them prominently on your website, product pages, and marketing materials. Use quotes, photos, and names with permissions to make the testimonial more authentic and relatable. Positive review from real customers can significantly influence potential buyer purchasing decision by providing social proof. In addition to testimony, create detailed case study that showcase how your digital products have helped customers achieve their goal. Select a few successful users and document their journey, including the challenges they face, how they use your product, and the result they achieve. Include metrics, graphics, and before and after comparison to make the case study more compelling. Share this case study on your blog post, social media channel, and in email newsletter. They can serve as powerful marketing tools that demonstrate the tangible value of your product. Case study also provide a deeper, more comprehensive look at the benefits of your product offer, making them practically effective for converting hesitant prospects. By leveraging customers' testimonial and case study, you not only build trust and credibility, but also provide prospective customers with clear real-world examples of how your digital products can meet their needs and deliver results. Expanding your product line can significantly boost your business and revenue. Start by analyzing current product performance and customer feedback to identify gaps and opportunity. Create complementary products such as ebook, templates, and or advanced course to promote, enhance an existing offering, and increase average order value. Diversify formats by adding video tutorials, webinars, or interactive tools to cater to different learning styles. Stay updated with the industry trend and test new ideas with a small audience segment before a full launch. This approach ensures your product line remains relevant, competitive, and continuously meets evolving customers' needs. To remain competitive and successful in the digital product market, it is crucial to continuously educate and stay updated with industry trends. Subscribe to relevant blogs, podcasts, and newsletters that provide insights into the latest developments and best practices. Participate in online courses and webinars to enhance your skills and knowledge. Join the industry forums and exchange ideas. By staying informed and continually learning, you can adapt to changes, implement innovative strategies, and ensure that your digital products remain valuable and appealing to your target audience. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button for more videos on selling digital products. Check the playlist of my video on how to make money online, and I will see you in the next.